Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today, another set of WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit inserts were revalved and modified before being sent out to the customer. These are going on a 2023 Husqvarna FX450. The customer described to us that he does woods riding, some rocks, some roots, nothing too gnarly or technical as he described. Doesn't really do any jumping. So based on his provided info, we have springs suited to his size, and we already have those installed on the cartridge for him, along with the correct spacer already installed as well. Along with the revalved softer pressure springs were utilized also. The stock pressure spring is 18 Newton meters. Along with this kit will come a JBI suspension settings guide that details how to tune these forks. It'll provide 5 different settings ranging from the softest setting all the way up to the firmest setting, and it will detail exactly what clickers to adjust, such as compression, rebound, preload. This comes with all JBI suspension revalves and cartridge kits that we sell. So it allows you to confidently adjust your suspension, knowing exactly what we would do if we were with you testing and helping you adjust your suspension in person. Ride JBI is quickly getting lots of positive feedback on these WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kits. And we are also learning a lot as well very quickly with all the good positive feedback. The cartridge kit is great out of the box for motocross riding. It really is. And it also responds really well to revalve mods also. WP has really come up with a great platform on these twin chamber forks, and have really refined it really well over the years. And what they have now is very competitive, and congrats to them. That is awesome that they have done this. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. Thank you guys for watching.